Is he my soulmate? This is one of the first questions that comes to our mind when we meet the right one. And then we realize that things are not as we might have thought they would be, and our expectations get replaced by disappointment. But what if you are mistaken? What if he actually is your soulmate? You see, many girls think that their soulmate is someone with whom you experience bliss, ultimate happiness, and everything else that comes with it the first moment you meet him. And it's true, a soulmate is someone who makes you feel complete and in touch with yourself. But a soulmate also means someone who will make you question things, change your perspective, and make you feel like he's not the right person for you. I know it's hard to believe, but this is true. So, when something bad happens, like a big fight or any argument, don't immediately think that you were not meant to be, because it is far from the truth. Soulmates are two souls who are on a journey of transformation. Yes, soulmates are two people who meet each other on the same spiritual level. You have the same spirit but different personalities and traits. And that is what confuses you. When he is forcing you to change your opinion on certain things, you think it's because he wants to manipulate you. But it's because he cares about you and he is here to make you the best version of yourself. When you have been fighting about the most trivial thing, it's not because you are not the right one for each other, but it's because you need to go through your transformational journey that includes not only the good things but the bad ones as well. Your soulmate is here to complement you and vice versa, and the goal is to finish your transformational journey that will make you become one. So, if you are having second thoughts about him being your soulmate, don't lose hope, because there are some unusual signs indicating that he might just be the one. Before I move on with these unusual signs, do you want to learn how you can make your guy get completely obsessed with you? Do you want to completely stop his pulling away behavior once and for all? Well, I have personally written an ebook where I have disclosed some untold secrets of making your man feel an everlasting love for you and only you forever. You see, there are some secrets that cannot be shared on YouTube and other public platforms, and that's why you can download this ebook for free only for a limited time from the first link in description below. So, with that aside, here are the 8 unusual signs that he is your soulmate. Number 1. You have been separated. You fought with him, you have gone your separate ways and then reunited again. And you have repeated this procedure multiple times, but you could never spend a lot of time staying separated because deep down in your soul, you know that you were born for each other. It is because your souls have been yearning for each other, and no matter what happens, you always end up together again. A true soulmate will always find his way back to you, and that is how you will know that he is the one. Number 2. He has changed you. He has changed you for the better, and there's no way you can deny it. He has shown you that not everything is black and white, and you are thankful for that. You have discovered yourself in a whole new light, and nothing will ever be the same. You have changed for the better and become the best version of yourself. But you needed to go through a lot of difficult situations to reach the state you are in now. You have also changed him as well, and you feel like meeting each other is the best thing that happened to you. Number 3. There is a feeling of peace in the relationship. Now, when I say peace, I don't mean that there will be no fights or arguments in your relationship. Peace means that there is a sense of calmness in your relation and there is something that feels right. You don't feel a lot of anxiety and you feel that there is progress in your relationship. This means that you don't feel that you are going backwards. Instead, you feel that both of you are evolving and moving forward. Number 4. There is excitement. Love and dating is meant to be fun, or else what's the point? When you are dating someone and you want to know whether he is the one I can spend my life with, there should be a sense of excitement around that. You should be excited to see them and spend time with them. Now, I am not saying that you will be feeling this sense of excitement every time you guys meet, or every time you think of going out with him. But oftentimes, you will be feeling this sense of excitement around you. Even if you have started to feel bored around him, or you feel that you have reached a threshold, this doesn't always mean that he isn't your soulmate. After a couple of years, this feeling is pretty normal in every relationship. But if this feeling of boredom doesn't last for too long, he might be the one you could spend your life with. Number 5. He's like family to you. When you are spending time with him, he reminds you of someone in your family. He could replace your mother, father, brother, sister, or even your grandma. It's really hard to explain it, but you can't help it but feel that way. It's because your soulmate is usually someone who embodies the traits of your close ones. And that is why you sometimes feel like you are spending time with your relative instead of your boyfriend. But know that if you are feeling this way, it means you are on the right track. Number 6. He has a good character. The way to look and judge someone's character is to look at what they are consistent in. How do they react and respond to when they are in different circumstances? How does he react when there's a conflict between you both? Usually, difficult situations bring out the worst in a person, and you need to be aware how your boyfriend reacts in those difficult situations. There are some key factors to judge someone's character as well, and I have disclosed them in my ebook. If you want to have a healthy and loving relationship with your boyfriend or husband, you can download my ebook for free from the link in description below. Number 7. There is a strong bond of friendship between you both. There is always an element of friendship in a relationship, and if this element of friendship is quite strong and prominent in you both, there is a good chance that he could be your soulmate. You can't just love someone without liking him. And when I mean a strong bond of friendship, I mean that you both enjoy each other's company and like to share each and everything that's going in both of your lives. If you both continue to like each other even during the time when you both are struggling to love each other, that's a really good quality to have. Number 8. You are comfortable being vulnerable around them. You know those soft places you hide from everyone else? With your soulmate, there's no hiding. You realize you have found true love when you feel comfortable sharing your fears and insecurities. You can sense that there's a sense of comfort and familiarity that you have never experienced before. Nothing is too strange or too emotional to talk about, and you let your true colors show without fear of judgment. When you are in self-doubt, he would hear and reassure you about your qualities and your abilities, and you feel a sense of calmness when he is reassuring you. It just feels absolutely great to open up to him when you are in stress or in insecurity. I hope that you can identify these signs in your current relationship and get to know whether he is your soulmate or not. If you are interested in more videos like this on relationship advice and dating tips, feel free to subscribe to my channel, University of Obsession. My aim here is to help you get your guy completely obsessed with you. Please like and share it with your friends so they can improve their relationships as well. And yeah, if you want to learn how you can become a high value woman in true sense, check out my free ebook which I personally wrote. I can promise you that you will learn some really shocking and surprising facts about love and obsession that you may not have heard anywhere before. The link to this free book is in the description box below. Until next time, see ya!